When I started creating YouTube videos, producing a single video could take multiple days at a time. From planning and recording and editing, even publishing the video took a lot of time. But over the last couple years, AI has totally transformed the way we make videos here at Think Media. We've honestly cut our production time for producing a video in half without really sacrificing quality at all. So in this video, I want to walk you through a real example of how you can use AI to plan and record and edit and publish videos way quicker without sacrificing quality. Now, the first step for every video is research. You've got to figure out what video am I actually going to create, and there's so many different ways you can research different topic ideas. But today I want to show you one that I've actually really enjoyed trying out recently, which is leveraging community comments in your comment section to come up with video ideas using AI, in particular, the AI assistants built inside of your YouTube studio. So if you dive into your YouTube studio and go over to this community section right here, this will give you access to all of your community comments. And these are a goldmine for coming up with video ideas. But what I want you to do is find a comment that you think might make for a good video idea. Like this one right here. Question: do I have to show my face to be in the video to reach 1,000 subscribers on this little podcast episode Nate and I did? This is a great question that I could just respond to right here within the community section. But actually, if I click this action menu, these three dots, you can expand this little drop-down menu. And this top option right here is brainstorm video ideas. If I click this button, it'll instantly open up the YouTube inspiration tab where it'll start building some ideas right away for how I could leverage this comment into a full-fledged video idea. We can see it's generating these concepts right here. How to build a strong brand without your face on YouTube. Top 5 faceless niche ideas to skyrocket your YouTube growth. My 90-day faceless channel experiment. So these are all ideas right here that are long-form video concepts. I like this one right here. Like, how do you build a brand without showing your face on YouTube? And this is just a starting point. You could actually develop this idea even further, and YouTube itself will start generating some hook ideas and even an outline and some thumbnail concepts, title ideas. It's got all of this right here inside of YouTube, leveraging their AI tools. Something I like to do is actually just grab a bunch of screenshots of these ideas and some of the title concepts right here, and then bring those into my preferred AI assistant of choice to flesh out the idea even further. So I'll open up ChatGPT or Claude and start pasting in my ideas. In about 30 minutes to an hour, I can workshop some great hooks, a great outline with my key talking points for every section, and even a call to action to wrap up the video. And I can do this in under an hour just based off of one comment inside of our comment section. And why I love this method so much is it really removes a lot of the guesswork out of your topic selection and trying to figure out which video should I make next. Well, you have validated demand by using real audience questions. They have questions right there in the comment section that you can turn into video ideas and speed up your planning process from hours or days to just a few minutes by leveraging this AI workflow. Now, moving away from the research phase into the recording phase of production, and a massive way that we save a ton of time recording here at Think Media is by leveraging virtual studios instead of complex in-person setups that change every single time we want to record a video. By using a virtual studio space inside of a software like Riverside, who partner with us on today's video, you really can save a ton of time when it comes to record. So how this practically plays out is creating one nice little setup at your workstation or your home office. We sometimes call these our battle stations. This is where you create all of your content. This is my battle station right here, and I have my camera plugged into my computer and my microphone and even a screen share happening right now. And all of this can come inside of my virtual studio inside of Riverside, and I can record 4K videos right here inside of Riverside, as well as record all of this crispy audio without needing to manage any memory cards or file transfers. So whether our team is recording a solo YouTube video or a podcast conversation or an interview with one of our coaching clients, we can record all of these different formats right here inside of Riverside and build up a library of videos to keep our workflow centralized to one location. And then our editing team and our content director can look at all of the content that was shot inside of this virtual studio. But it doesn't just stop there. And I want to show you all of these different AI tools that we're using inside of Riverside to expedite the completion of our videos so much quicker by editing and packaging content and publishing and even repurposing content for like short form platforms. You can do all of this right here inside of Riverside, and it saves you a ton of time. If you'd like to try out Riverside and kind of follow along with what I'm doing here, I'll link it down in the description below, and you can use code ThinkMedia when you sign up to get 1 month free of their pro plan. So when it comes to editing, there are so many AI tools that Riverside offers to speed up your editing workflow a ton. Starting with, they actually create a magic episode for you as soon as you finish your video recording. So this is what I'm looking at right here. This is actually an AI polished draft tailored just for me with some key edits based on your preference. And you can personalize these preferences even more, but I just want to show you what this looks like right after recording an episode. So Nathan and our student Brandon just finished this podcast recording, and this is literally with no editing taking place at all. This is the draft of the video that Riverside has created for us, and we can go in and fine tune some adjustments here. So one of the first time-saving tools is the fact that you can produce these custom scenes really quickly that automatically change your camera angle based on who's talking. So you can see here, Brandon and Nathan are kind of both talking at the same time. So Riverside has detected, hey, let's show both of them on screen, their emotions, they're having fun talking together. And then when it cuts back over to Nathan talking for a while solo, it will automatically change the scene. And I can add an infinite number of scenes here and change the scene preference. If I wanted Brandon to be talking instead, I could do that. If I wanted a side-by-side shot, you could do that. But it's nice that right away, just using like a magic episode, they've already done all of the heavy lifting of camera switching for you. Now, another cool feature inside of Riverside is their co-creator AI assistant that you can just chat with to perform different operations for you. If you're kind of unfamiliar with editing, you can ask this AI assistant to perform operations for you. Like if you don't know how to clean up audio, you could just say clean up audio into the chat window, hit send, it'll think for a second, and then it's going to go ahead and enhance the audio quality by reducing background noise and improving clarity. And the process takes just a couple minutes to complete, but while you wait, it actually gives you, do you want to like remove filler words? So it's actually performing these operations for you. So say, sure, let's remove filler words. And right now it's identifying 97 different filler words that you can remove. So these are the weird like ums and uhs that you just kind of stumble across when you're recording videos, and it's able to actually identify those moments and remove them from the timeline. Now in the background, it's also been working to enhance that audio like we asked it to, and it applied this magic audio enhancement to Brandon that just uses software and AI to enhance the audio, and it applied it at 100%. And if it's too much and too overpowering, you can dial this back to like 60% or 50% could be a better range. And then there's even some more fine tuning that you could do. You could go in here and optimize the EQ for that specific track, or even do some default presets if you prefer. But lots of ways you can customize the audio and even let AI handle a lot of it for you. Now there's also something called AI producer notes, and this will give you kind of producer suggestions based on the AI as it looks at the transcript and the flow of the conversation for some potential revisions and fluff that could be removed from the piece. And here's a little purple dot on the timeline, and you can see that this is an AI producer note. We can click on this, and then it shows right here that we could delete this part to refine the speaker's verbal clarity. And if we want to, I could just click apply, and then it'll automatically remove that section of the video. Pretty cool that I don't have to do anything other than click a couple buttons, and the producer can handle those adjustments for me. You can also edit the entire video like a transcript. So if I wanted to adjust this intro at all and remove this first sentence, I could highlight it in my timeline, and I could correct the captioning if I prefer, or if I just want that deleted completely from the video, I can hit delete, and then by using the transcript, I'm deleting different parts of my video without needing to actually go on the timeline and snip out different sections. Now, if you were starting your edit completely from scratch inside of Riverside and you did not start with one of their magic episodes, the first thing that I would do is probably click this layout button and then apply these smart layouts. So this will use AI to recognize who's talking and which camera inputs are associated with which audio inputs, and then it will automatically switch your video for you so you don't have to take the time to go in and manually switch camera angles every time. You can just click this one button, it'll load for a few minutes, and you can set the rhythm. So switch occasionally, or you could increase to like moderate or even extreme, like really fast, rapid switching based on who's talking. So lots of different customization you have here with your layouts. Now, once you finish your video edit, the next step would be packaging and making sure that you have all your titles and thumbnails and descriptions all dialed in. And AI here can really expedite your workflow and turn your finished video recordings into a fully packaged video in minutes. And you can actually do all of this right here inside of Riverside. Now, if we keep working with this episode that we were working on, I can open up the co-creator in my dashboard, and I want to ask co-creator to perform some operations for me. So I'm going to go ahead and pick content that it's looking for. So there's all these different pieces of content that are associated with this episode, which we'll talk about in just a minute. But let's start with that magic episode that we were working on. So I'd like for it to come up with 10 title ideas for this episode based on the transcript of the video. And in just a couple minutes, we have a handful of titles and descriptions as to why those titles might be helpful. And we can just use these as a starting point as well. But here's one: why your YouTube titles and thumbnails must tell a story to keep viewers watching. So this is an interesting title. We could workshop this with AI even further inside of the co-creator, or you could bounce this conversation over to a different AI interface of your choice like ChatGPT and workshop some more titles there. And what I love about the co-creator here is it has access to the actual video that was recorded inside of Riverside. So you recorded the content and then maybe you edited it and refined the story even more. It can sense that actual finished transcript so that you can use that to come up with some winning title ideas. Now, beyond titles, you could also have it generate descriptions for YouTube videos or even podcast hosting. So since this is a podcast episode, I'm asking co-creator, can you create a show notes description that I could put into our podcast notes? So I'll go ahead and hit enter and just give it a second to think. And in just a few seconds, it has all the show notes right here ready for me to copy wherever I need them to live. It's got a complete breakdown of the episode and all of the key bullet points. It even generated timestamps for an hour-long video, which would take me so long to go through each section, but it was able to create those timestamps and I can modify them, of course, if I need. And it was even able to find different links that we were talking about during the video, like calls to action. We talked about our coaching programs to our VRA Elite and Accelerator courses. And it took us right to this page, so it knows how to sense and listen for different calls to action within your video. And maybe you're unsure about which part of the packaging process you need help with. There's this great suggestions button right here on the bottom. And there's different like presets, basically, you can ask the co-creator to do for you. So maybe you want like an episode description or title, show notes, all these different things that you can use to help with your packaging. So when it comes to packaging, absolutely use AI, not only to save you time, but also to have your packaging be even better than it would if you just tried to come up with all the keywords and SEO all on your own. These AI tools are fantastic at creating really great video packages. Now, after we package up the initial long form video, we always want to think about how can we repurpose this content and scale it into multiple different ways. So turning one piece of content into dozens of pieces of content to multiply your content outputs without necessarily multiplying your workload. So even though the only thing that Brandon and Nathan recorded here was the long form episode and it's one piece of content, Riverside has already turned that into a ton of different shorts options that we could use for YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reels. And all of these are editable as well. So I could click in here and modify the formatting or the structure of the short as well, or even add some different captioning preferences or styles, all within the Riverside dashboard without needing to go export the video and bring it into a different editing software and reformat to vertical. All of that takes a ton of time, but you can actually do all of that right here within inside of Riverside in a matter of seconds. One of the reasons video is so powerful too is because it can be repurposed for not only video formats, but also audio formats and even text formats like emails and blog posts. And within Riverside, they actually give you some instant social media captions that you could work with if you wanted to copy these into your social media platforms to pair with one of these shorts. They also create an instant blog post from the episode right here that highlights all of the most important information of the episode that you can use for your blog, or even converting this to more of like an email thread. If you wanted to have an email lead to drive people to the long form video, you could do that with these text assets that you can instantly copy or download via a text file. I think a lot of creators make a long form video that they poured their heart and soul into, and it took them forever to plan and shoot and record and edit everything, that by the time they get to the end of that process, they're not really thinking about how could I leverage this content in more ways. So it's great that right from the start, as you record a video inside your virtual studio space, Riverside is already working in the back end to curate this content and figure out multiple ways this content could be leveraged down the road. And then the final piece of this workflow is the publishing and distribution of your content. So how do you actually get your content out and get it out faster using different AI tools? Well, what's great about using a virtual studio space like this is that all of your content just lives inside of this space. So it's all available for you to download and redistribute and publish to different platforms at your convenience, starting with even like the raw content. So Brandon and Nathan's episode right here, I have all of the raw content available to me. If I wanted to download Nathan and Brandon's raw video files, I could do that, as well as the raw audio. If I wanted to share finalized episodes that we already edited, I could download them for distribution on my own, or I could connect them to places like YouTube or Instagram, TikTok, and share them directly to these different feeds. And if you have a podcast, you can actually host your podcast directly with Riverside, so you don't have to use a third-party distribution site for your content. You can record your episodes and then edit them and even publish and distribute them directly from Riverside to places like Spotify and Apple Podcasts and YouTube Music right from your Riverside dashboard. So by using this virtual studio space, it removes a lot of that friction. You can save so much time by having an all-in-one virtual studio solution so that you can create better videos a lot faster. If you want to give this workflow a try, you can try out Riverside with the link down in the description below. And when you sign up, you can actually also use code ThinkMedia at checkout to get 1 month free of their pro plan. So just give it a try and see if it's something you like. And it really does, for us, save us a ton of time. Now, if you want to check out another video from us here at Think Media, you can click or tap the screen right here to watch that video, and we'll see you in the next one.